Guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Today I'm going to be talking about spring trends. So in today's video I wanted to talk to you guys about my current 5 favorite spring trends and how I would style them. So I'm going to share with you the trend, and then I'm going to share with you how I plan to incorporate it within my style. So a little try on portion of like, this is the trend, this is how I would style it, sort of thing. So if you like this style video and want to see it with any other trends, let me know in the comments down below what trend you would like to see me style. But I wanted to share with you my current 5 favorite trends and how I would style them. So let's jump in. The first one being denim tops. I love all denim tops, okay? The first one I'm showing is kind of more summery than springy, but if let's say you're going someplace warm, this is still something for like spring break or something that you could wear. But denim halter top, I also have this beautiful denim little like tank with the buttons. I love this thing. I bought this last year and wore it a ton last year, and I'm so excited to continue to wear it this spring. If you guys watched my recent Abercrombie video, then you saw this little boxy denim shirt, and I knew that I needed this as soon as I saw it on the website. So many different ways to style it, but I think this is such a cute piece. And then the last but not least is just a denim long sleeve top. So basically, you don't have to have every single one of these tops to partake in the denim trend, but there is so many different options and so many different styles of denim top. So if you're not a long sleeve denim girl, try a short sleeve. If you're not a short sleeve, try a tank top. There's just so many different ways that you can kind of like mix and match and find what's best for you. But like me, this is a trend that I am so all about that I just dove in head first, if you can't tell. So also the long sleeve, I've had this one. This one's from Target. It's sold out, but Abercrombie has a lot of similar ones that I've had in the past and I love. Let's move along to a new trend for me. I used to have a bubble hem dress way back in the day that I loved, but when I saw this bubble hem skirt, I was like, it's a lot, but it's so cute. And I wanted to like test myself to see how I could style this. So I did style this 2 different ways. This one is from Zara, really good price. I've been loving Zara recently, so yeah. Check them out if you have not checked out their spring stuff. I don't normally shop at Zara. I'm just gonna be honest. I don't even remember the last thing I bought. I'll buy dresses occasionally, but anyway, when I saw this skirt, I was like, yes, I love this bubble hem. It's very popular right now. I wanted to do the maxi. I'm not a mini skirt kind of girl, so I wanted this like maxi midi sort of skirt for the bubble hem trend, and I loved the way you can wear it with just like plain t-shirt to make it a little bit less like, I don't know, like dressy, I guess, and pair it with sneakers. I paired it with sneakers for both because that's what I definitely intend to do with this skirt to make it more me. And then the other way is to pair it like with a white tank, so it almost just looks like a dress. Which I love the look of that as well. So it's a very versatile piece, and it's not super expensive, so I think it's a way for me to kind of literally dip my toes into the trend. And it's a white bottom. I love white bottoms in the spring, and I'm always looking for new white bottoms to wear in the spring that aren't just like shorts and pants. So I liked that little trend. So I'm excited for the bubble hem trend. Next trend I'm pretty much obsessed with is patterned bottoms of any kind, like striped, like the boxer pants or anything. If you're not into the boxer shorts, like these guys, then I get it. And you can just get like linen pants that are striped. You can get jeans that are striped. You can kind of go any which way you want with the patterned bottoms. The patterned bottoms are really in, and I like it because I'm a very like basic blocked sort of colored dresser. So I like that this adds just an extra interest to the outfit in a very simple and not like way bold because it's just shorts, if that makes sense. And I've been loving this. So I love pairing it with linen. I think that's my favorite way to pair it. I think you can go super girly with it, like monochromatic pink on pink, or you can kind of take it more tomboy with like a hat and sneakers. I don't know, there's so many cute ways to wear this trend, and I'm here for it, if you can't tell. I definitely want a green pair. I think I might get a green pair of pants, but I don't know, maybe shorts. I think I'm gonna be living in these, especially since the end of our summer is going to be in Texas. It is so hot you don't wanna wear like anything. So I think this boxer trend is perfect for that sort of like throw and go sort of look. And I think if styled the right way with like a classic piece, like a button up, it doesn't look as like I threw my boyfriend's pajamas on. So I'm here for that trend. The next trend are vests. I think these have been kind of popular for a while now, but I'm really diving into it. And I got this one, tan one, from Target. Unfortunately, they're sold out. I think they have mediums left, but they run so big. Like I got an extra small and I'm not an extra small. But Abercrombie, I grabbed this black one from Abercrombie, and I love the fit and style of this just as like more than the Target one, obviously, but it's also like double the price. But you can't even get the Target one anymore. So the Abercrombie one is such a good fit. I love that it's high neck. I'm not a V-neck kind of girl. I like more high neck sort of fitting tops. So when I saw that the trend was coming back with the high neck ones, I was like, okay, this I can participate in. But I think this is super cute. So I want to show it a couple different ways. With trousers and a sandal, it makes it pretty casual, but still very classic pieces. You could also do like a loafer or something like that for a work setting, but I don't know if you can wear tank tops to work. I don't know, it's been a while. And then the other way is just with a pair of light denim and a pair of cute sunglasses. I just think these are very classic structured pieces, but so cute. So I'm so happy that I dove into the trend of vests. So if like the V-neck vests were not your thing, try the high neck ones and let me know if you guys are into them. And then the last trend I kind of sprinkled throughout this video, and if you can't tell, it's colored sneakers. Now, colored shoes were huge when I was in college. Like, I remember I had like orange heels and pink heels and like green heel. Like, that was like the thing, was colored heels, because it was such an easy way to kind of change up the entire vibe of your look just by putting on a different pair of shoes. Like, you could have the same black dress and wear that every single weekend, but if you wore a different pair of heels, it just changed up the whole look, if that makes sense. So yeah, that was like my thing back then. So now I feel like it's like that, but with sneakers, because I don't wear heels anymore because I don't go out. But I have been in love with colored sneakers, and yes, the majority of mine are all Adidas, which I would like to kind of branch out a little bit. But honestly, their color combinations right now are literally cannot be beat. I do want a pair of Aloha. I'm thinking about getting the a pair of those. I think the pink ones or something. But anyway, red I think is a great color. Blue and then green. Those are my like staple standard colors that I just feel like add such a good pop into your wardrobe, but also complement my wardrobe so much. So if, like, for instance, you wear a lot more like girly pieces and want more girly colors like pink or purple, or I don't know, I'm trying to think of other colors. They've got so many more, red and pink. Anyways, I think a lot of people are rocking the pink sneakers as well. But I'm more of like that cool tone kind of, I don't know, kind of girl. So I have been loving colored sneakers. That's not going to stop anytime soon. I'm obsessed with my Adidas Spezials over my Samba, but I still wore both in this video. But that is it. Those are my 5 spring trends and how I would style them. If you like this style of video and want to see more, let me know in the comments down below. What specific trend are you wanting to get into, or you've already bought but you don't know how to style? I don't recommend doing that though. I really recommend only buying trends that you really feel like you can style. Because obviously not every trend is meant for everybody, but I think especially with the denim, I showed you the denim tops, there's so many different versions. So waiting and finding out the version that works best for you and your style. Same thing with the vest. I really didn't buy the vest because I couldn't get on board with the V-neck thing. So as soon as they came out with the high neck, I was like, yes, on board. So don't just try to make your style fit a trend. Try to make a trend fit you, if that makes sense. So I hope you guys enjoyed, found this video fun and helpful. Again, let me know in the comments down below what other trends you would like me to see styled. If there's another specific trend that I'm on board with and I just haven't thought about it, let me know and maybe I'll do it. But I love you guys so much. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in my next one very, very soon.